Hello everyone, it's Bubbles from Venom Fluid Art. Thank you for joining us on another amazing week on the Fluid Art Express with my fantastic art family. And this week we have got a pretty cool skull to do some work on. This is Herman. What I'm going to do is we're going to put some music on and I'm going to take you along on the ride of the adventures of Herman. Let's see how we come together.
Embrace my feelings, sing me a poison. wanted, it could only be this way, but wanted, for any sign you're on your way, I wanted. Why do you have to keep me so long? I run to, falling like an avalanche. I see you, embarrassed by my feelings crashing into. Why do you have to keep them so long? Will you know me better than I know myself? And will I know you too? Will you breathe in better than somebody else? And will I breathe out you? We sing alone, la 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 la. We sing alone, la 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 la. I'm holding, cradled like a babe in arms. I'm hoping that there's no need for the alarms I built in. I don't need to keep them turned on. Will you know me better than I know myself? And will I know you too? Will you breathe in better than somebody else? And will I breathe out you? We sing along, la 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 la. We sing along, la la la. We sing along, la la la. We say along, la la la. We sing along, la la la. We say along, la la la. We sing along, la la la. We say along, la la Love hurts, love hurts, love hurts, love hurts. I don't wanna finish this thing that we started, but that choice has been made for me. I still feel you here even.
Alrighty, well that is the adventures of Herman over. I think he turned out pretty darn cool. Fun with swiping. And that is it for me this week, guys. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you had fun following the Fluid Art Express once again. We really appreciate it. So until next time, stay safe, take care. As always, I'll see you in the next one. Have a fantastic day. Thank you for watching. Go get messy.
I don't wanna say